Commercial laundry products are bad for our environment. Let me teach you how to remove a blood stain from your clothes without using any harsh chemicals. Join me. Red stains on your clothes can be daunting. However, don't let it get you down. We can remove the blood easily by following just a few simple steps. The items you will need are cold water and an all-natural dishwashing liquid. Hold the spot under cold running water until all excess blood has been removed. Soak the garment in cold water for a minimum of 30 minutes. Gently work the soap into your stain and rinse again with cold water. I would just use your fingers to work the soap into the stain. Then repeat these steps again if necessary. Join me daily for DIY organization and cleaning tips. We are going to DIY your whole life. Share this video with your friends and see that like button, your thumbs up down there? Please click it. Let me know that you like this video. Thank you, and I will see you tomorrow.